Okay, so we've got the wall all painted. I went ahead and painted and the ceiling and the wall. I just used the flat ceiling white paint, make it really fast and easy. Everything smoothed out, so now we can mount the new system that we have from IKEA. So this is really simple. I've already marked the center of the wall here. So the way this works is this goes up on the wall, and then after you drill this in, this is just gonna kind of clip right in there, and you'll put that where you want, and then you'll screw this in the wall and you're good to go. So first things first, you want to just take your level, it says you should put 4 screws, so that's what we'll do. Two, 3, 4. Now that I just made a little marking with my screw. Now I can easily just line that up. Screw here. So if you're going into the stud on this one, they say make sure you're using a wood screw with a end like that, not a rounded end, so it's gonna sink in. So that's what we'll do. Get this one started here. Could have just drilled some pilot holes to make it a little easier, but screw it in all the way tight, just so I can make sure get them all nice and level. So we'll just check our level again. Make sure it's good. That looks right. go. Okay. Alrighty. Well, that's one side. Now we're just going to do the same thing for the other side. Just line this up, and here's my pencil. I'll just get one of them started. Okay, so we've got the rails installed. We've put in, just clipped in the first pieces. IKEA says just you put it one at the top and bottom for centering. And at this point, just gonna configure the shelving and closet rod how we want. So I'm gonna just put something together, and we're all done. Alright, so we've got the closet system all secured tightly on the wall. Everything's measured, leveled, and now all you have to do is you can configure the accessories how you want. So I think maybe we'll start with having a shelf and the pole here. So you basically, you just line up where you want this. Slide it in. These can be quite difficult. You gotta kind of put some force in and snap it in. what you can do to make your life a little easier, just take this take a rubber mallet and then hit them in. Found you need quite a bit of force. So I think we'll put the rod here. We'll put a shelf and then we'll put the rod. So here you've got the shelf. There's just these little hooks that will hook in to the supports. And so we just put that up there and get it in the groove, and then you just slide it in. That's it. That's secure. And then to install the rod here to hang clothes, these just simple little hooks. There's this little clip that clips in there. Same thing on the other side. And then there's the rod. And then we're just gonna snap that in place. And you just kind of push that down. And then we've got our rod. And this one, we're gonna put the sliding baskets. So there's the end piece for the baskets is this support. I've already just snapped that in. And then you just take the basket, the side with the these plastic bumpers you put on the outside. Oh, maybe that was the wrong way, sorry. Go, and those stops actually just stop the basket there. So I've got a few of those, and we'll probably actually put those lower down. But that's basically it. You can configure it basically however you want. I think we're gonna get a lot more storage and a lot more efficient use out of the space this way. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. Alright, and here's the final product. So we've got a few shelves, some slide out drawers. These are really nice. I think I'll probably add a few more of these, fill out the bottom space. So I think this was well worth it. Definitely more efficient use of the space. Got these rods we can hang clothes now, put some boxes above. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks.